Alright, today I'm going to create a very simple program in LabVIEW that will allow you to use the LeapMotion controller to turn a light on or off. So here I have the very basic LeapMotion programming set up. So what we're going to want to do is git unbundle, switch this to hands. We're going to use the fingers to it will count the fingers to determine whether or not the light should be on or off. And we're going to create a for loop. Nice and big. Loop this in. And unfortunately we're going to have to unbundle it again. Wire this through. And the pointable, so it will actually count the number of fingers. And in order to do that, we're going to have to turn it into a number using the array size. So we do that, wire this out, and from here we can actually just create an indicator. And as you can see here, we have our array. Add an extra element because we have two hands. And then we go back in here, and in order to, we're going to have to give it a case structure so that will determine, say, when the light should be on or off. So we have 5 fingers, so let's create 5 cases. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to actually need our light. So let's create a square LED. Make it nice and big. And let's put it here. And just wire it into the case structure. Alright. So now we need to tell it whether or not the light should be on or off by giving it a true or false constant. So 0, let's make it false. Just wire it into the block. And you have to do this for each case you created, otherwise the program will not run. So let's make it at 2 fingers, the light will turn on by giving it a true constant. Now the rest we just go through, make them false. And once the thing green is filled in, means it's all done. So let's go and actually run the program. See, 1, 2 turns on, 3 goes off, 4 go back to 2, turns back on, and that is how you turn a light on and off, just your fingers.